Tucked away in Seattle's Capitol Hill neighborhood, you will find the latest fluffy obsession in the plant-based dessert world.
There was no other yeast-raised donut shop in Seattle before Dojo, so when they came along, I was really excited.
Wow.
Hey guys, I'm Eunice from Rated V, your guide to vegan food and travel, and today I'm in Seattle, Washington because I'm here to check out the newest and coolest all-vegan donut shop. So I'm gonna hear a bit about the story from the owners and of course, try them out. Let's go.
So first thing I wanted to know was, why was Dojo created?
I'm Sean.
And I'm Christopher, and we're the
and we're the owners of Dojo.
We started Dojo in 2021 during the middle of COVID. We really wanted to bring a vegan concept of some sort to the Seattle area, and we settled on donuts.
We're really excited to be the first and only 100% vegan donut shop and coffee shop in Seattle. Customers that have come in can enjoy our donuts regardless of your dietary preferences.
We really wanted this space to kind of be a place where people can come get amazing donuts, whether they're vegan or not, and to just get a little bite of vegan food. And if they see, oh, this donut was just as good as, if not better than other donuts that I've had, maybe my next meal I'll try a vegan breakfast sandwich or whatever it is. Just show that vegan food can be amazing, fun. People love coming out, taking photos, and that's our whole goal, is just to get people excited about vegan food.
Okay guys, it is now the moment we've been waiting for, the taste test. One of my favorite things about Dojo is that it's LGBTQ owned, and Sean and Christopher have been like leaders in the vegan movement here in Seattle. They used to print out magazines. I'm just really excited to meet them and get to try their donuts. The fact that they have an all vegan donut shop now is just amazing. So, what did I get? I got the strawberry milkshake, because how cute is this? It looks like a Simpson donut. The cookie butter, which is like a Lotus Biscoff cookie, so if you travel a lot, you know you're getting all these cookies on the airplanes. I got the s'more because I call myself a s'more whore. I love all things s'more. And of course, the apple fritter, because what's better than enjoying a donut? A fried donut. Just go all out. All right, so I'm gonna take a bite of each one of these because that's how you live life. All right, I'm gonna start with the strawberry milkshake because it just looks super cute. It really does taste like a strawberry milkshake. This is delicious. Okay, moving on to the next one. Cookie butter. Oh, hey guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited for this. Wow. This one's filled. Oh my goodness. And it has the like Lotus cookie butter in the middle. Oh my word, you guys, this is amazing. This is delish. Okay, s'more, you guys. S'more pleases, that's what it's called. Oh yeah. Tell me that is not the most perfect donut chew. You can taste the smoky char from the marshmallow. That's next level. By the way, they have fulcrum coffee here, so you of course are not going to eat donuts by themselves. I'm going to cleanse my palate before the apple fritter. If you haven't had fulcrum coffee, they're one of the best coffee roasters here in Seattle. Like, you just have to try it. This apple fritter is the size of my heart. Did I put that in the right place? I don't know. This apple fritter is what you need in life. Yeah. With the coffee, this is amazing. I honestly love all of them. I think the Lotus cookie is my favorite for sure. They always have these flavors here at the shop. They do have seasonal ones also, but these are pretty constant. If you're in Seattle, this is definitely a place you need to stop by and check out. They add seasonal flavors every month and week too, so seriously, if you have a sweet tooth, you need to come here. They're working on gluten-free donuts as well, so stay tuned for that. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and tell me what you want to see next. Let me know if you're gonna plan a trip to Seattle and if you're gonna come check this place out. And you can check out more of my videos up here, and I'll catch you next time on Rated V.